What's up, everybody? This has been with another edition of Crypto Update and another HBAR update here. We've had a little bit of action, so I figure I can talk about it for a few minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. You won't miss any videos and updates, and it helps me out as well, so I appreciate it. I'm trying to give a different type of perspective, to crypto and to trading in general. Not so much hype and Lambos, but kind of, drawing understanding support and resistance levels and just taking it kind of a day at a time, and not getting freaked out if things go down because you kind of know the levels of where they're probably going to hit, and then you can make decisions from there. So, help me out, share my page and stuff if you would. I think it could help out some other people as well. So let's look at HBAR here. There's been some action. Probably not action that you guys wanted to see, not action that I wanted to see either. But I did take advantage of this dip here. Honestly, I'm not sure why we had such a significant drop all of a sudden here. HBAR hasn't really done that in a very long time. This was warranted because of this huge FOMO, but so who knows? Maybe somebody dumped a bunch of coins and it kind of causes this ripple effect or whatever. Regardless, this is where we are. And I drew this W in yesterday, I think, because I was really hoping for a double bottom here, which is a bullish pattern and kind of telling you that you're getting a reset and, things are going to start moving the other way. That did not happen. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. Instead, what we have now are just some, unfortunately, very nice looking bearish patterns here. Bear flags, to be completely honest. And yes, I still use the free version of TradingView. I say I can do whatever I want on it, so I'm not paying for it right now. Bearish patterns. Look, it's pretty easy to see, or maybe not easy for you to see, but for me to see, these are very nice looking bear flags. And it looks like, unfortunately, we're breaking down again through our 35. Our 35 cents line did not hold, so I would not be surprised if we did something like this again. And these patterns are going to continue until we put in some type of really good double bottom, telling us that things are going to change. Now, maybe we could do something like this, and go. But, that's not happening right now. I'm just continuing to see this bearish pattern. Let's look at it on our big scale here. Same bearish patterns, they're here. Inside our big view though, look. So we're still fine. I mean, we're in this giant consolidation, bullish move up, bull flag here, and things happen inside here. Let's take those flags away, and then let's go to the daily so that we can see this on a higher time frame. And look, we're still fine. I mean, we've done this twice. Maybe we do it again. I drew this arrow here, which is still in play. We have a lot of time on this daily candle. I will say that we don't want to end this daily candle like this. This is a very bearish candle, especially on the daily. If we do, I would expect us to come down and at least test this support line. If not, I would expect us to maybe even do something like this again, and test the good old bin buy zone even, as crazy as that seems. But it is not out of the realm of possibility at this point. We want to see this turn around. I think I told you, I don't know if I said it in this video or not. This is like the second time I tried to do this because TradingView crashed on me during the last video. But I I bought this whole dip here, and I'm not buying just a few $100s. Like I have some significant orders through here, and my average now is probably sitting on, at least on that bag, somewhere around between 36 and 35 cents. So I'm underwater right now on this bag. I don't plan on selling it. I believe HBAR is going to go up in the future. Um, if this dips down and comes lower, and we keep on doing these bear patterns down, then I guarantee you I'm going to buy as we drop, and I will continue to do so until this pattern back here is invalidated on a big time frame. And by that I mean us completely collapsing and falling through here, and this is no longer a flag. It turns into like a retracement, and we're going to go down, you know, if something like that happens. I'm not planning on that happening whatsoever. I think there is major support at 28 cents. That's where all these have tapped, and that's that very top of the buy zone that I have in there. I'm not even saying we get to there. I think it would be a gift if we did. I just think we have a bit of retracement here and some more consolidation before we move up, and that is my take. The other thing I want to look at, let me go back to the hourly here, and I just want you to show, I want to show you like the whole market. Like, I mean, everybody's kind of hating on Doge, whatever you want to call it. You know, it made its move, a big move up, and it needed to make a correction. I think Trading View is freaking out on me again, so I might not be able to do this section. Oh, okay, here we go. But this move up for Doge was very structured. I mean, I kept saying that, and I did a video for you guys back when Doge was like at 7 cents, and I said, hey, if it breaks here, there's a good chance that this thing makes a run, and it did by all means. This retracement is very warranted. It needs to come down, and it needs to kind of reset and let this MACD reset, which it's trying to do. So I know people are hating on Doge, saying, oh, it's already retraced or whatever, but it needed to do this. I mean, this is what it needed to do. So if it starts breaking down and gets back down into single digits, then yeah, you could say, well, this was just a nothing burger. But I don't believe that this is over yet. I think there's too much hype around it. I'm not a hype kind of guy, but I am a trend guy, and this is extremely trendy right now. And this retracement is very warranted and was needed. So, but look at the market. It's not like anything's doing anything crazy. Look at Bitcoin. It's crap from the past few days, and it's doing nothing but the same thing that other things are doing. Like, these are all bear flags happening here, and I wouldn't be surprised if they continue at least down to maybe even 58 as a retest. Sorry, my dog's like freaking out. Look at Ethereum, same thing. It looks like crap. Litecoin, I like. I've been telling you about these daily lines that you should mark on your chart for Litecoin, and these are from 2017. These lines here, it's just crazy that they come back that long, 4 years later, and they still interact with these same points. And so just watch these levels on Litecoin if you're in them. But I'm not too worried about Litecoin. It seems to be doing its thing and just consolidating nicely right now. XRP taking a hit. BNB, doing its thing. OXT taking a hit. ICX taking a hit. ADA taking a hit. ZRX taking a hit. NEO looking okay, but taking a hit. Checking support, which is okay. Uni looking like crap too, coming back down. KNC just doing absolutely nothing. HBAR taking a hit, putting in bear flags. Doge that everybody seems to hate, um, taking a hit, but doing what it's supposed to do, in my opinion. Um, Look at OXT, taking a hit. Matic, taking a hit. Link, taking a hit. So don't think that it's just one taking a hit again, of course. VTHO, coin I really like, told you guys about, but it's taking a hit right now. Algo, on the other hand, I did a very in-depth video on Algo, and I quadrupled my position on this coin because I think it has a lot of room, and it is going up right now, which is nice. So all that to say that it isn't just HBAR that's going down. It isn't just Dogecoin that's going down. People are acting like, Doge is crashing, but honestly, this morning the whole market looks kind of crappy. So it isn't any particular coin. It may just be the market in general. And so I see these as advantages to buy. So I have some cash on the side ready. And that's what I plan on doing. So on HBAR, just remember our levels, and let's watch them. 33 should hopefully hold. If it does, then maybe we do get this kind of fattened out double bottom here for a turnaround and a bullish move up instead of these kind of moves like this. That's what we don't want to see anymore. So hang in there. This is all part of it. If you're new to crypto or you weren't here, back during 2017 and even before, just know this is the kind of stuff that happens. There are some unknowns right now, and all you can do is watch the levels, and have a plan. If you don't have a plan, then when this stuff happens, that's when it really starts to affect you mentally and emotionally, because you don't know what to do and you have to make a decision quickly. So have a plan, say you're going to sell at a certain number if it hits it, or you're going to sell at a certain number if it goes too low, or you need to have something in mind so that when crazy things happen, you don't have to make an immediate decision on something. You have a plan in place. That's the biggest thing. So I'm not worried about HBAR. I will continue to buy if it drops. I think we are at the very beginning of an alt season that is going to dwarf 2017. I really do believe that, and it's because of the move that Bitcoin made, in its run all the way up to 60,000, which is insane, by the way. I think way more insane than what Dogecoin is doing right now, just to be completely honest. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this answers a few of your questions. Watch our levels on HBAR. If you don't know them, they're on here. You can take a snapshot and see them. Draw them on your own chart so you can watch and just see what happens. We want to see these bear flags turn around and turn into a bullish pattern, which would be either some consolidation somewhere for a while and then a start to move up, or we see a really nice double bottom forming with a nice impulse move up. All right, so have a good weekend. Let's all make money together here and hang in there. Not all days are going to be fun and pump. We got days like this too, so it's all part of the game. Talk to you guys later.